So you were in the hockey world for almost 5 years, 4.5+ years.
Yeah.
Tell me how that all progressed. So it sounds like you were kind of getting some traction,
Yeah.
to hang around that long.
Sure.
So yeah, you were back in the U.S. You played, I think, in the minor
Yep.
leagues
I
of
played
the
in
Canadians and the
I
Predators.
played a little bit in the American Hockey League and primarily in the East Coast Hockey League. So effectively AAA and AA baseball for people who don't understand the levels of hockey.
Yeah, what's your thought process in terms of just how crazy difficult it is to make to the NHL?
It's nuts.
It's nuts, right?
Yeah, and there's like it's funny you think you're good and then you play against those guys and you're just like right, and it got to the point like it was so obvious to me that that relative to my skills, relative to my age, because at that point the NHL had just hockey in general had changed. It was at that cusp of getting younger and younger and younger,
Mm-hmm.
and people not having as long of a career, and so the idea of using my mind to make money just felt like, again, I always had this, I call it a quiet cockiness about myself. I thought I could do it, right? I thought I could, now was the time to actually use what I considered I was good at, which was, critically thinking and
Yeah.
and going from there.